My name is Greg Collins. I'm a senior IT director for BorgWarner Automotive. We are a global propulsion supplier. Most of our revenue is actually split pretty evenly between the Americas, Europe, and Asia. A lot of opportunities for us in multiple different countries.
My name is Steve Manier, Director of Global Manufacturing Engineering at BorgWarner. I've been with the company 38 years in various manufacturing roles, working with plants on, solutions to make productivity better in the plant. The way our company works with our operating model is the plants drive those decisions with those solutions, and we try and help bring those to other plants as well.
For BorgWarner, digital transformation is really this opportunity for us to leverage technology and trying to provide opportunities for innovation, efficiency, and quality. We had a challenge as we wanted to reach our carbon neutrality by 2035. We needed a way to baseline and to be able to measure that progress, and we wanted an opportunity that was digitized and gave us access to every one of our physical locations around the globe. There was the typical concerns about security, about IP data, access. A vast majority of our plants had a completely different hardware available to them, and we had to figure out how do we overcome that. So we had a neat opportunity working not only with Siemens Digital Solutions, but with their other parts of Siemens to figure out how can we bring hardware, software, and the services to the table for us to bring a consolidated solution very quickly to the company. We were able to implement the Insight Hub and the energy management application. We were able to do that all digitally and very fast.
We had tremendous support from the Siemens side, both on helping us get the hardware we need, as well as to making the software work in the plant. As the plants began to use that sustainability software, they learned that they could get more detailed information out of their plant by specific area of the plant and have added other assets to begin monitoring other parts of the plant to drive costs down for energy. So it kind of snowballed itself with the support that we got, and the ease of getting that data drove a lot of that for sure. 95% of the Insight Hubs is being used to track energy usage at 63 different locations within BorgWarner in 20 different countries. And that gives us the ability to understand our energy usage and try and make it more efficient by driving improvements, actions, KPIs to bring that down. Once we have the Insight Hubs within the BorgWarner enterprise and we're using it for sustainability, our next steps is to see what other modules can be used on that.
We have a lot of hopes in where we see AI and data analytics bringing us in the future. I think part of it is the transparency and exposure to the type of information. So much data is available to us, and it's a matter of how do you harness the power of that data, how do you leverage it and get value from it. But the other thing that we think is really a game changer is, can we create that efficiency for the humans that are working within our company so we can focus them on high value propositions. Our hopes are that we can build upon the already existing energy management application that we have in Insight Hub and start looking at operational opportunities. We have this connectivity now from all of our locations that's feeding back up into the Insight Hub technology, and we can start to leverage that for all kinds of different connectivity, all kinds of different analytics, and we'd like to really start to layer the different AI tools and start to take that into a lot of operational value beyond just what we're doing on the energy management. When I think back on why Siemens and why did BorgWarner choose to partner with Siemens on the Insight Hubs and our energy management project, a big part of it was the capabilities that Siemens could bring to us with not only the technology and the software, the cloud hosting, but also the physical devices and the energy management systems that we needed. And Siemens came forward and was able to address us globally from A to Z in the entire aspects of the solution, and they could do it with technology they had available to them at the time, and that was very lucrative for us and very appealing. It's been probably over 25 years we've been working together now in a very collaborative, and not just in the Insight Hub space, we work together in the PLM and CAD and simulation and many other technologies. And we have a phenomenal account team that we work with, a phenomenal technical team. We have very close relationships with not only individuals from the Siemens and BorgWarner, but just the collective whole of both of the companies together. And it's a true partnership versus a make-buy relationship.